Hey, morning guys, it's Ken here, Blessed Farm. I want to talk to you today about BioChar.
Cleaning out the garden areas. There's the upper garden ready to go. Lower garden. Corn, squash, beans. Over here on the far end over here, garlic and onions. Right over in that area, we're going a nice little garden area to sit out, drink coffee, and watch the sun come up and sunset. Just talk and have a good time outside. And there you go, I was cleaning it up today. It's starting to pour down rain.
Today I'm going to teach you how to convert plant waste and animal waste into a fine grain purpose charcoal that helps soil retain nutrients and water. Most people don't really know about this. There's many different ways to make it. Basically it's people's been doing it for over 2,000 years, and basically you take waste as in plants or manure, wood, all that stuff, and you burn it real fast. Now biocharring ashes, but rather stuff that's burnt so fast that it stays whole, but you can, when you touch it and squeeze it, it'll turn to dust. I'll show you in a minute. So basically what I got here is some wood, some stuff from the garden, and some manure in here, and I'm just burning the heck out of it. And then I'll show you what we're going to collect here as soon as this gets done, of what actually biochar is. And most people really don't know about it, but I'm going to be enhancing my garden with it. And I mean, people's been doing it for 2,000 years. You know, they've been doing it down in South America, in the Amazons and stuff. So I mean, hey, I'm all for it. Let's give it a go. Alright, so we got it pretty much burned down here. Now this is a critical part of making this stuff. Alright, you see that part glowing right there, the big chunks? It'll be solid red. Alright, the next step on this thing is you have to put them out and leave them whole, because that is the biochar. There's two ways of going about this if you're burning it on the ground. One way you can do it is rake it out and spray it with a water hose, as I got right here. I'm going to spray a little bit down. But another way you can do this is how I'm going to really do most of this. That's why I did it right here with my dogs digging this hole. It's because I'm going to put it in the hole, and then I'm going to lay a board over it and smother it out. Because you want to keep that stuff whole. That's the biochar. It's actually the coal. Most of y'all might have seen it camping and stuff. I mean, just no one ever really knew. But it's that simple, really. So I'm going to fill up this hole, and then I'm going to spray some of them, that other pile over there down with water, and we'll take a look at what this looks like close up. So this is a piece of it close up. Just a charcoal, burnt wood. It ain't going to burn no more to that point. Alright, so I got that in the hole and covered it up with dirt. And that should put it out, and we can dig it out later when it finally goes out. Probably in a few hours, if not tomorrow. Probably tomorrow. I'm going to give it time. But this right here, we're actually spraying with water right now. And we should be able to handle it in a few minutes. Now, this can be done on a larger scale, actually. This ain't very much. I'll show you all what I collected when I'm done. I'm going to put it all in a bag and, of course, crush it into dust. A powder, so it can be applied easier as a top dressing. But it's real simple, and you get a nice fire. Get rid of wood on your land if you have it. But when we finish spraying this down, I'll come back when we can handle it. So there we got it. We got our biochar all picked up. We got a 5-gallon bucket full. Now what you want to do is, if you're using a tiller, you can till it in big if you want, but I prefer to crush it down into a powder and use it as top dressing, and I'll integrate it into the first 2-3 inches of soil around the plant. And that's really easy and simple. You just crush it.
there it is, guys. Here's how you process and make biochar from beginning to end. It's really easy, really simple. It's great for your garden. Great for nutrients in your garden, putting them back into the soil. It's been done for thousands of years in South America and other places. So if you have any questions or comments, please let me know. Hey, contact me anytime about anything. I'm here, all right? Hey, so also I want to go over, we're going up here at the end of February. The flyer's going to come out this week. So we're going to have our community seed swap. It seems like it's going to be a really good adventure. I'm hoping for the best. So, hey, if you're around Northeast Texas, come on down and share your seeds with us down here, all right? I mean, I appreciate y'all's time. And make sure you subscribe, the link down below. And check us out on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, all right? Check us out. All right, man. Hey, y'all live well. And as always, God bless. See you soon.